The lifespan of roofing materials totally depends on a bunch of factors you might not think about every day, like how much sun it gets and how well it was put on in the first place. So, first off, UV exposure is a big deal because the sun's rays can slowly break down your roof's surface, making it weaker over time. Weather extremes like heavy rain, snow, or crazy wind can cause damage or wear out materials faster, so roofs in harsher climates usually don't last as long. How the roof was installed also matters a lot. If it wasn't done right, you're asking for leaks or parts coming loose way sooner than expected. You gotta keep up with maintenance too, like cleaning gutters and checking for small problems before they turn into big headaches. Different materials have their own strengths and weaknesses. For example, asphalt shingles usually don't last as long as metal or tile roofs. If you notice any cracks or missing pieces, get them fixed quickly to avoid bigger damage. Also, good ventilation helps prevent moisture buildup, which can rot things from the inside out. Finally, trimming nearby trees can save your roof from branches, scraping, or dropping leaves that hold moisture. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roofing materials is ignoring proper installation quality, which leads to early failures and leaks. Always hire pros who know their stuff. Another common problem is skipping regular maintenance checks. Roofs need love just like anything else to keep going strong. The third issue is not accounting for local weather extremes when choosing materials. Picking the wrong type means your roof might not last as long as you think, so match your roof to your climate for the best results. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find trustworthy local contractors without all the stress and guessing. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.